Good afternoon, my name is Brad Langdon. Today we're going to walk through a Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. We'll start up front. You see here the big sun pad. You have armrest, you have a stereo remote control over here, cup holders throughout, stereo speakers throughout. You have anchor and windlass up here, wash down up front as well, a large bow rail. Moving aft, you have the helm here with two 9-inch Simrad touchscreens, all stainless steel touch button breakers. You have the Simrad VHF located to starboard, auto trim tabs located here, and your spotlight located here. Electronic binnacle controls here, joystick piloting here, and a double helm seat here. Looking off to the port side, you'll see the walkway moving forward to the sun pad up front, and you also have another double seat here. You also have entry to a nice spacious cabin. Moving aft in the cockpit, you have a double seat here to starboard. You have a freshwater sink, an electric grill, accompanied with a refrigerator down below. You have a big L-shaped seating pattern in the cockpit here. The table would go here, more cup holders in the rear. Up top, you have an extendable sunshade, and up here you have a sunroof. So you can open up the center part as well as have an extended sunshade to cover the people in the back seating. Okay, on the very most aft section of the boat, you have a sun pad out back, a very large swim platform. This swim platform on the outboard side goes down, and back here to the port side of the settee, you have a shore power cable and hose cable adapter. If you get a chance, come by Lake Orma store, see us. My name is Brad Langdon. Phone number is 704-215-3599. Thank you.